Your Excellency, this kind of program cannot...
Our destination, ladies and gentlemen, is to tackle the housing challenge, and this was inspired by the reality of our nation, Kenya, today. Based on recent census, our population now stands at 47 million people, of whom today 10 million are urban dwellers. And over 90% of town dwellers today live in rented houses, with approximately 65% of those living in informal settlements. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what pressed me to find solutions that will enhance access to decent and affordable housing for our people.